Hello, future developers, and then welcome to the continuation of our ratings UI project. So we are going to the main.css side, our CSS. So we are going to style them. Remember, for our icon to show, we have to use this link. Okay, this link inside our head. So main.css, and then what we want to do first is to work on the body. So we are going to do a use the universal selector to give a margin of 0. So we are going to set our margin to 0. I need to split the screen. Okay, so margin of 0. Okay, so we've taken all the margins out. And then I'm going to do padding 2. So set our padding is to 0, 0. Remember to always close your HTML code with a semicolon. Okay, this terminates that line of code and then reads the other line. Then we want to give it a font family. So all the text, okay, we are giving all the text a font family of let's use Verdana. This, okay, so you can see it's changed. And now what we want to do is to do box sizing. So box sizing, I'm going to set it to border box. Okay, so border box, that wouldn't take effect now. Okay, but it's just supposed to help us get the exact measurement for whatever we want to do our containers. Okay, so now let's work on the body side. So body, and then the body, I'm going to set my width to, let's use 100 VW, 100 view width ports. Okay, VW. Then I'll set my height to 100 VH, to height 200 VH, so viewport height. And then let's display flex. Okay, so display flex. So this is going to make our items. Okay, display flex. So there's our document. Okay, then I'm going to do justify content. Our content, I'll set it to center. Okay, and then we'll do align items. We'll set our align items to also center. Okay, so we are centering everything inside our container. So our container, which is the main. Okay, that's sorry, inside our body for now. In the next lesson, we want to work on the background of our body, and then our next code will be to actually style the main container. Okay, so the container. So first, let's give our background color. Let's give our background color a color value. So I'm going to use the # hash, and I'm going to use 1E25 and then 2F. Okay, yeah, that's what we want. And then let's work on the container. So now let's do dots. So remember, we have a container, okay, which is housing all our elements. Okay, so dot container, inside the curly braces, I'm going to give up with our container width of let's use 600 px, and then a height of 600 px, height of 600 px. Okay, then let's give it a background color. So we are going to give it this same background color. Okay, nothing is showing. Okay, and then let's give it a border. a border radius of 30 px. Or let's work on border. So let's do a border. So border takes some arguments, so 2 px, okay, for the thickness of our border. So border 2 px. Our color code is going to be hash. Let's use 4D637D. Okay, and then we'll do, I think we have to add solid. Yeah, solid. Okay, so we have our border. Okay, and then let's do that for our background color. No, we have our background color. So we want to round in this. Okay, so to round in this, let's use border radius. Then our border radius, I'm going to use 30 pixels, 30 px or pixels. Okay, so we've rounded it. So in the next lesson, we'll try to position our elements well. Okay, we'll organize them well in our document. Okay, so thank you, and then I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.